Hello everyone, from Tony the Scar Ghost, and let's see together how the new Oculus avatars are. So let me choose my new avatar together with you, discuss at the same time how it is this new system compared also to the previous one. And in the end, after I've chosen my avatar, I can also try it inside Epic Roller Coaster to tell you how is this half body tracking is. So let's see this new system, how it works. So let's create an avatar for me. And in the beginning, it asks me an avatar to start from because there are so many combinations that it's better to start from something that is already existing and then modify it and do everything completely from scratch. So it makes sense. I create this simple man that should represent me. I'm moving, but actually my avatar presentation is not moving. This is pretty disappointing, but that's it. So let's start with the first configuration. This is the body shape. So I'm trying different body shapes. Some are more feminine, other more masculine because there is no gender here. So notice that everything is customizable. There is no difference in ethnicity, no difference in type of person that you are, or whatever. So you just put customizations and you become what you are. So you don't. It is not a top-down approach; it's a bottom-up. So after I've chosen my body type, I can choose my skin color. I choose a whitish one, and now I can choose a bit my hair. I will put a bit more hair than I actually have. So let me forget a bit that I miss some hairs on the forehead. So let me try different colors of the hair, more or less are all the same. Okay, brown are okay. It's always difficult for me to find the face of my shape, the shape of my face, sorry. I just see that the one that it has chosen automatically is not the right one. Probably have, yeah, more like this. I'm not a big chin. So regarding face markings, actually I have not these kind of things, but it's cool that they added this. So you can even add some subtle face markings to your face or face lines if you have, on the forehead, visible lines, especially if you are low stressed or you have some ears more than me. And then there is the eyes, and it's difficult because there's not few types very distinguishable, like eyes and eyes, like big eyes, little eyes. It's just many different subtle customizations, and you have to try them both, also the color of the eyes, and see what works and what not. So now I'm coming back to remove also the lines of the forehead because I have not them. Um, Also the eyebrows. So what is the right shape of the eyebrows? Actually, I can't find one that is really mine. And even if someone in the drawing on the right looks like mine, when I try it, maybe it reminds me something of a woman. So not really mine, or it doesn't fit with the rest of the avatar. So it's not easy actually to choose the customization that you want. But it's cool because I mean the more customization, the better, and that's why they say that there is a quintillion possibilities because there are really, really a lot. This I have to say kudos to Facebook for this because I wasn't expecting so many customization in a battering system. So here I am trying different eyebrows until I find something that I like. I have to say that I have not found something that I really liked. So I picked the least bad one. And also notice here, you can also work on your eyelashes. I say, what's my eyelashes? I have no idea. Let's pick one. And then here I have my big western nose. There are very subtle shapes to choose from. Okay, this one, even for the mouth, I have no idea what my mouth actually looks like. Let's pick one that seems mine. And as for the lip color, actually, I think that changing it is good only if you want to wear lipstick because I've tried different ones and I always look like wearing lipstick and I was like, okay, I don't want my avatar to wear lipstick. I think it's good for women too. And so facial, yeah, I had a big wizard bird in the past. Now have a bit of both sometimes. So let's pick something more neutral. But of course, I I always wanted to try some more solutions. Like, let's try also the Wizardbird a bit. Reminds me when I started in VR in 2014. I think I look like a fisherman, so probably let's get back to the original small bird. So that's okay. And this is me, so try outfit. And here I was expecting more customization actually. I was thinking about, different t-shirt, different trousers. Actually have outfits you can pick. And it's cool because outfits for men, for women, the outfits for casual people, serious people, ethnicity groups is amazing. Of course, eyewear, there are many people wearing glasses. I wear not, so that's okay for me. And here you can see that there are caps, hats, but also various hats of ethnicity groups like Hindu, like Muslim people, and that's great to make everyone really feel represented by this kind of Facebook avatars. Really, again, kudos to Facebook, even the dot on the forehead. So that's incredible, really. Uh, Earrings, ear piercings, and even nose piercings if you feel represented by that. So this is me in the end. So after all these customizations, I hope you like my new avatar. So look how cool I am. And last thing that I want you to notice before trying the avatar on an application is that now I'm back to the initial shape, body shape sector, and notice that all the icons have been updated with my previous customizations. What you can notice during all the process a posteriori is that the more you add customization, the more the icons on the right actually follow the options you selected. So they are not static icons like a piece of clothing. They are that piece of clothing applied to all the customization that you made. This is super difficult to be done. I even can't think how they created it. It's amazing. And so the icons constantly help you in understanding how you are because they update following your customization. So after this final thing, so let's try this avatar inside Epic Roller Coaster. So Epic Roller Coaster is one of the few apps that support Oculus avatars now, the new Oculus avatars, and it's the only one that is free. So let me try to load it and see that I have the same clothing that I selected before, and that's cool. I have the full arms, and now I'm trying to swing them. So look how I swing my hands, and as soon as the application will load, I will make all the experiments to actually see how it works. What I have found is that you see that actually the movements are not completely natural, honestly. They are a bit weird. So that's why there still is a cartoon appearance. And regarding the realistic movements followed by the artificial intelligence machine learning, I say that they don't work that well. Especially the inverse kinematics is not working. I have seen better inverse kinematics actually in systems like VRIK, honestly. So when I move my hands in a certain way, I expect my elbow in the virtual avatar to be high. Instead, it is very low. Similar things, the movement is not natural when I look at my avatar. It looks pretty weird most of the time. So at the moment, the natural movements that the system has promised are not there. So I don't want to blame Oculus because of this, because it is very difficult to see something like that, and for sure they will improve. But I want to highlight that it is not what they promised. So thanks for watching this video. As always, like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day in VR. Bye bye.